Hey guys and welcome. In today's video we're going to look at maps and range in Golang, so let's start. Maps are Go's built-in associative data type, sometimes called hash maps or dictionaries in other languages such as Python. It basically maps a key to certain value, so that's what we're gonna use it for. To create an empty map, we will use the built-in make function. We need to use the map keyword and specify the type of the key and the value. For example, we create a map that will have string as a key and integer as a value. To set new key value pairs in Go, it is with using this typical syntax. Let's set two keys with some values inside. Printing a map with the printline function will show all of its key value pairs. Let's try it. Note that the keys and values are displayed with a colon in between and space between the pairs. To get a value from a key, we need to use this syntax. For example, let's get the value of key 1. And as a result, we got that value of key 1 is 5. The built-in len function returns the number of key value pairs when called on a map. And as a result, we got that our map have two key value pairs. The built-in delete function removes key value pairs from a map. For example, let's delete our key 2 and check the content now in our map. And after the delete, we got only one key. We can also check if certain key have associated value to it by using the optional second return value when getting a value from a map. This second return value indicates if the key was present in the map or not. Let's check if key 2 is present in our map. This parameter can be used to differentiate between when the key is missing and the key is having zero value, like 0 or empty string. And as a result, we got that key 2 is not present in our map since we deleted it. Here we didn't need the value itself, so we ignored it with the blank identifier underscore. You can also declare and initialize new map in the same line with this syntax. And let's just check the result. We got the map printed as expected. Now let's check the range in Go. Range is used in for loops to iterate over elements in variety of data structures. Let's see how to use range with some of the data structures we've already learned. So first let's create a slice of integers and put some numbers in it. And use a for loop to iterate over the elements and sum them. And let's print the result. And we got the sum of the elements in our slice. Range on arrays and slices provides both the index and the value of each entry. Now we didn't need the index, so we ignored it with the blank identifier underscore. Sometimes we actually want the index though. So let's check the index of number 5 in our slice. And as a result, we got that 5 is at index 4. Now let's create a map and use range over it. Range on map will iterate over the key value pairs. So we got the key and the value in a separate variable. So let's print all the keys and the values related to it. And we got all keys with the values. Range can also iterate over just the keys of a map. So if we skip the value, we'll got just the keys. And let's print them. And we got all the keys in our map. Note that the order may be different when iterating over a hash map because all entries are with random order. We can use range also on strings to iterate over the Unicode code points. The first value is the byte index of the code and the second is the code itself. So let's print the key and the code. And the code that you can see is the ASCII code of that character. And if we want to display it as a character, we can convert it to a string. And let's print it. And after we convert the character to a string, we got the actual letters. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give a like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.